Hello. In this video I would like to introduce to you the different types and possibilities of connection that the DNE pump or cartridge can make with your tubing. Just to introduce you the standard tubing and connectors from DNE. Here I have two cartridges. Both show the standard connector. This is a cartridge with a tubing internal diameter 1.85 millimeter. Here we see the same tubing, the EPDM tubing, with the smallest diameter 0.25 millimeter. We have three standard dimensions, internal diameters that we can offer. Of course, we can also provide you with other internal diameters, but with these three diameters combined with the full programmable pump, we are able to reach every flow range from 0 to 3 milliliter per minute. In this cartridge you also see another material. So this is the EPDM material, as I already mentioned. This is our standard material. Here I can show the Viton material, which is a material that can be used for more aggressive fluids like oils, for instance. We have also the normal silicone material as shown here. What we also show here is that the tubing can be a pull-through tubing. That means it can go through the connector, and depending on the length required by the customer, this is a solution that can provide the possibility to the customer to avoid any connector or transfer of fluid into another tubing. So in fact, from the solution or from the source, from the customer to the pump to another place, we can do it completely through the cartridge. This is also a two-channel solution, so we normally have a 5-channel cartridge, but it's no problem if the customer requests a 2-channel solution. We can do it by filling up the 3 other channels with what we call dummy. This is another application where we made a pull-through solution for the customer, still using the standard connector. This is the EPDM tubing with the 0.75 millimeter internal diameter. Here we have a solution where the customer has, this is a solution for mainly very low flow ranges. So the customer can put his tubing, which has a very small internal diameter. We are talking here about a stainless steel tube with an external diameter of 0.6 millimeter. Why is this solution requested by quite a few customers with a low flow range? Because this type of connection allows him to use his own tubing. It also allows him to avoid any hidden volumes. Filling up these gaps with a low flow range is quite time consuming, and this solution offers the possibility to avoid these time-consuming filling up of gaps in bigger connectors. DNE is capable of making all kinds of connectors requested by the customer. If you have any idea for another type of connector, please let us know. We can make, in combination with our DNE pump, we can make a suitable solution.